All right, guys, quick bulb check tips. All right, on your car you can do this yourself. All you do is turn on the headlights. You see how you turn on the headlights? Both sides turned on. That's how it's supposed to be. This side is on also. And you can check the plate light bulbs down here. Can you press the brake? All right, if you look at this bulb here is not working. Let go, press it. See the bottom bulb, it does not illuminate. Do it again. We're gonna check this side. You see how this side, both the top and bottom illuminates? So this car needs a bulb over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change that bulb for this customer because she spent a lot of money and she's been a good customer. I like to keep my customers happy, and I do little things like this, and I double check the bulbs on every single car that I get in the shop. All right, guys, this is a 07 Kia Sorento. And to change the bulb, the brake light bulb on this car, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this fill up here. You're gonna remove that one right there. All right, so that's one screw, Phillips screw head right there, and there's another one down here. So if you have an 07 Kia Sorento, you're gonna do the same process to change these bulbs in the back. Once you have these bulbs out, these lights usually have clips on it, like these right here. This clip here, it goes into that. So make sure you just pull it out slowly and gently. This is the bulb. All right, the bulb number is 1157. All right, that's the bulb that we're gonna change. All right, this bulb it has two flares in it. Make sure when you put a bulb in, it has two flares like that one. Like if I put it towards my light, you'll see it in there. And then you can see it has two tips, these metal tips. All right, so make sure you get the same bulb, you put the same bulb, and we're gonna put this bulb in. All right, guys, we have the new bulb. This is the bulb 1157, and it's a dual flare, and then it has two tips here, so that's the bulb we're gonna use. You take this bulb and you click it in and twist it, and it goes right in. All right, we're gonna, before we close this up, we're gonna test it. Can you go press one time? All right, so he's gonna press the brake pedal, and let's see if both of these bulbs come on. There you go. All right, so this is good. We're done. And now we're gonna put one screw here and one screw there. So once you have that light aligned, and there should be two clips that go inside, all you do is you put the two screws in and you're done.